Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Your account is active, notifications are on, and your availability status is correct. Once done, open the chat panel and select the appropriate queue or channel so requests route to you. Next, accept the first incoming request and immediately greet the user with a brief welcome line that sets expectations. For example, how long response times typically are. Make sure to note any preset customer tags or priorities before you should structure your messages. Start with a short answer, then follow with step-by-step details so the user can act. Use canned responses and templates to save time, but personalize them to avoid sounding robotic. When you need more information, ask for a screenshot or file and explain how to attach it. If the issue requires escalation, tell the user what will happen next and provide an estimated timeline. Maintain a friendly tone and use typing indicators so the user knows you are actively working. You wrap up by summarizing what you did, the final outcome, and any next steps the user should take. Once you confirm the issue is resolved, log concise notes, apply relevant tags, and create a follow-up reminder if further action is required. Ask the user for feedback or a quick rating to close the loop. If things go wrong, here's one tip. If messages fail to send, clear the app cache or reload the browser. Then reconnect. Network hiccups often cause temporary message failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.